Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you
Havannah
are
Nature Park.
something
As you can
special,
see.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I thought use the gimbal. Haven't used it for ages. Get some fresh air. Georgia's just up ahead there. She's brought her Polaroid camera. Yeah, been ages. I don't think. In fact, no, I haven't been here this year. Lovely. Fresh air. Get the walking boots on in case of loads of mud because it's been raining loads lately. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. So, yeah. Hope everybody's having a good day. Here she is.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. We're in the middle of the wood. If anybody remembers that video where we got lost in the wood, that's where we are at the moment. Look, I'll pan you around. There's Georgia. Yeah. We're lost again. You can hear the cars that way, but oh, I see a clearing. We're just walking down random paths, wondering where it's going to take us. Oh, yeah, and the clearing's nothing but a clearing, that's it. It's not an exit, anything like that. So we proceed, she says. Yeah, I've seen a few people. I pulled in, I thought, I wonder if it's open. I didn't even check to see if the place was open, you know. It is. There's a few people dog walking, things like that. Yeah. Oh, it's just peaceful. Loads of people. Yeah, that's squeaking, that's my bag. It's a strap on my bag. Yeah. It's very peaceful here, I think. Tranquil, I think you could say. Loads of families and dogs and all sorts. Yeah. Georgia, I just stood on a twig and Georgia jumped.
It's like so silent, and there's like so many trees, and then you're like scared in case you just see someone in the distance standing, and all I heard was you go on the stick, and I'm like,
She says, oh, it's like you're going to get murdered or something. Yeah, I got all these fences, all these fences here being put in to protect the habitat of the red squirrel, which obviously trying to promote red squirrels rather than grey squirrels, which are killing the red squirrel numbers. So Georgia's down this path somewhere. Yeah, it's just hiding. See what you just said there?
no.
You see what you just said?
I said, then this is where you get asked to get murdered, because you're asking if you're the
Oh my god.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Wow. Found another path. Actually, also found another car park, which I didn't even know existed. So the opposite end of the park than what we normally are. So this is a new path. We've not been on this one before.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Yeah, let's try that again. I've just done a whole selection 3-4 minutes long and realised it was on photo instead of video. Fantastic. I was just saying, it's been lovely coming out with Georgia. Having a walk about in Georgia, taking photos and everything, and she sat there, she's going to get big-headed in a second.
How?
You sort of, when I said that, you went, what? But yeah, it's been lovely spending time with her and getting some fresh air, having fun. Georgia taking the photos, me using me gimbal. Yes, I know how that sounds. Don't use your gimbal in public. It's rude.
Oh, bother in a chip shop.
What? No, one of her photos has come out black.
And then ones are like,
They're blown out by the sun, yes. They're nice. Yeah, we were having a conversation about spitting. Not focused. Unless it's your photo's not focused, I don't know. Let's see it. No, actually the photo is focused.
he took one of me.
Sitting by the lake, yes. Anyway, as I was saying, so we're having a conversation about spitting and like how, well, I think it's absolutely disgusting, you know. It's one of the things, that and not saying thank you if somebody holds a door open for you or you let them out on the street or whatever, really boils me. But spitting, yes, I think it's disgusting. I know there's times when, especially the older generation, there might have been heavy smokers and, you know, every now and then they want to clear the lungs or whatever, you know, things like that. But when it's like people just spit for the no reason, you know, just walking along and they think it's cool, or maybe they might do drugs where they've got overactive saliva glands, things like that. It does me head in, really. Yeah, but is there anything that really grinds your nads? Put your comment below. Let us know. You know, what really sort of flicks your switch type of thing.
You're gonna say something else.
Really? Family channel, Georgia. Family channel.
You were saying boils your nuts and then you said flick you.
Flick your switch, light switch, yeah, whatever. You know? But yeah, anyway, we're going to get going now. The girl stopped staring at us. I would have vlogged outside, but she was just staring at us. I was really uncomfortable. So, yeah, we'll get going now. I think Denise is on her way home. She'll nip to the shop, I gather, yeah?
I think so,
Yeah. Yeah, see you when we get home. Well, back home. Denise, we got home the same time as Denise was getting home.
Finished work at 4, went to Asda, got a few bits and bobs, and then I pulled it behind us, didn't you?
Aye. It took your time. I was on the other side of the nature park when you rang, you know. It's not a small place. So, how's your day been?
It's been okay. Not that busy, but all right.
Good.
I thought it was going to be busy because someone was at the door at 5 to 10 and we don't open till 10. I thought, oh, that's a good sign. I'll have a busy day and that, but it didn't end up like that.
And
So.
time will fly over. Did it drag?
Little bit. Yeah, had a few in, but Yeah.
I've just been having a phone call with your mother, and yeah, I have to tell you, Denise's dad got himself a new Karcher pressure washer, and he's been cleaning the drive. But he had his new pants and
New shoes on.
And everything. Me and Georgia popped down to get Georgia's walking boots, and from his knees down to his feet were just caked in like dirt and dust. It looked like he had a pair of like beige coloured wellies on.
Yeah, my mum wasn't impressed at all.
No.
I can just imagine.
I wish I took a photo of it.
Just imagine what you said to him.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, just put them in the wash and everything. You have got to just nip somewhere, get some rods to clean the drains and everything. You change your pants first. Can't go out like that. Yeah. It's a nice night. It hasn't rained, which is good, because there was only a 10% chance of rain according to the forecast. It's just a bit cloudy now. So,
I felt a little drizzle before.
did you?
Oh, at the nature park, I felt a little drizzle.
Oh, I didn't.
It's been an alright day. It was warmer outside than it was in the office. It was really cold in the office.
You not have the blowers on?
No.
Your fancy Dyson blower?
No. Not today. I said, I says, he will be going for to buy some nice woolly jumpers soon.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of that time. Get the
Next
big
month.
coats out and everything.
Yeah,
It's
next
still
month.
technically, I think it's still technically summer. I think it is. Been a couple of days I didn't feel like it, especially first thing in the morning. It's like, I don't. You stick your leg out of bed and it's like, I'll get the heating on. I'm going to ask you a question. Me and Georgia were talking about. I mentioned it on the vlog before.
Yeah.
Name something like people do, which really flicks your switch. Really like we were talking about spitting, and when people don't say thank you when you open a door for them and let them through. So,
Yeah, I think
go on.
Georgia knows what mine is.
Go on.
So if you're in the car and you flash someone for to say, come forward, and they just drive straight past you like this, no thank you or anything, that really winds us up.
I did mention that as well. Yeah,
because I just think it's rude, and it doesn't take a second for to put your hand up and say thank you.
It's been many a time that somebody's done that to me, and I've actually considered turning the car around and chasing them, saying, "Oi!"
It's probably like a daft thing to get annoyed about, but it really winds us up.
It's just rude, isn't it?
Yeah, because I always acknowledge people if they let us through. Like, I'll probably go a bit overboard and go, thank you.
I've done that before, like deliberately go, so give it over cheerful wave to them. It's funny seeing the faces. Yeah. But that's similar along the lines of like opening the door for somebody and letting them through, and so they don't say thank you. It's like, I was like, oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter. I'll just stand here and open the door for you. Yeah.
There's not much of noises, but oh, you was terrible at that.
Whatever.
You know what mine is?
What's yours?
When you stood in the queue and someone can see that you clearly stood in the queue, and then they're like walk in front of you and you're like,
Yeah. I don't know if you heard that, Georgia, saying if you stand in a queue and somebody, like when you're obviously in a queue and somebody just goes and walks past and stands in front of you. It's like,
It happened to us last week, and she was like, are you in the queue? I was like, yeah.
Because it's social distancing, there might be a gap in front of you or something like that. Or that would annoy me. Oi, get the back.
We're going Costa.
Jesus. I don't know if that's your phone or my phone or what.
I don't think it's mine.
Bloody hell, that was that. I apologise to anybody who's got headphones in. Or you just blasted the ears out.
In Asda, they have someone who stands beside the tills, and if there's like a counter that you can go to for like collections and parcels and things, and sort of cigarettes and lottery and that. So people do stand in a queue, but then you have to stand behind them, but you want to use either like a till with a lady or a self-service thing. But you still have to stand there until someone says, anybody want like a self-service, or do you want to come to the till? And that, so they have like someone there.
Yeah.
And that where other places don't, so you don't know what to do. You think, do I go or do I wait?
Tesco stopped doing it. They did have somebody. You had to go down through the cosmetic department,
Yeah.
but they've actually stopped doing it now,
Yeah.
and it's just back to normal.
Yeah.
You know, pretty much.
Yeah.
It was when I went to Tesco, you know, when I went to put the flowers down at the curb by my place. And I went to get flowers and I was stood in the queue, but I was obviously stood back because of like social distancing and that. You had to step back. And then this woman came out of a different aisle and she like stood there next to us, thinking she was in the queue for the till that I was waiting for, but she wasn't. So when I went to go like that and step forward, she went like, and I looked at her and I just went, and then the type of person that I am, I can't say nothing to someone, so I was just like,
They might have made a mistake. It's always best to be polite.
Yeah.
yeah, I was just like, yeah.
Started grabbing them. Hey!
Stand in the queue behind us.
Punt them into a different aisle. So,
So I'm going to go get into my PJs, even though it's early. But it's only
6:10.
It's only
Very wobbly this
bedtime is
tripod.
8 o'clock.
Well, that's late these days. It's
I
late.
know. We just like to get cosy and
Yeah.
climb into bed, watch the TV till whatever time. And
Once tea's finished, it's bedtime.
Once tea's finished and we do the dishes.
yeah,
Who done them
we're not
last
going to have a
night?
domestic here. Yes, you did do them last night.
Because I've been asking for days. Yeah, anyway.
We had the tea, steak tonight for tea.
Oh, there's a steak. Oh, with veg.
I was going to do salmon, but
Steak. The night before weighing. Thanks. Sabotage me weighing, why don't you?
but you don't think we've sabotaged enough this week?
No, I actually think it will be alright.
No.
I think mine's already been sabotaged.
I might go get weighed now than beforehand.
And then it's my birthday next week.
Yeah, your birthday, was it Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
So that's another meal out.
And then I'm going up on Monday, so that's another meal out.
Yeah.
Meal and drinks with your friends
Yes. And then out on Tuesday for
Yeah.
for the day.
the day.
And then we're going out for a Chinese on the Tuesday
as
night.
well.
So that'll be nice. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Wish you all well and see you soon.
Yeah. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for popping by and yeah. Take care everybody.
Bye for now.
Bye bye.
Hey,